Just get ready to go to work. End of the work week. Let's go get this daggum money. Woo. Y'all check his that right here. He said, "What are you doing to the go-getter? What's going on? Why you got the bag on top? I'm the trunk. Why you got a bag in the back here, Slappy? What is going on?" Well, let's talk about it. Let's get out of here. Let's talk about it. All right now. These hoes don't respect my grind. She calling rain checks, don't respect my time. Calling rain checks cause she knows she a dime. I make that bounce, I'm Bank of America. I got Sydney in America, I got Stacy in Maryland, I got plenty of hoes. Don't make me make no comparison, I could've married these hoes. But I'ma calm back down. Alright, you guys. I didn't think it was gonna rain no more, y'all. I don't think it was gonna rain no more, but it does not look good. I'm out here now. I'm out here now. Oh, Slappy Dog is out here now. So if it does, it does. We're just gonna have to rock out and come on through. Golly, look at all that. Head to work. This is the third day that I'm starting my riding to work season. Tell you a little bit about old Slappy Dog. And that is me. Intro.
Alright, y'all ready? Here we go. Ride with me. It's Slappy Dog. Let me know what you like about this video or not like.
Let me tell you a little about old Slappy Dog. I ride these old raggedy motorcycles, right? I ride them. But this motorcycling thing is probably as much as my lifestyle as going to bike week or whatever you think that you want to do on a motorcycle. I'm going to tell you about me. I commute to work. I daggum go to church on a motorcycle. I go to grocery stores on a motorcycle. I daggum take my vacations on a motorcycle. Hell, I date on a motorcycle. Everything I do is on the bike. Of course, weather permitting, right? It ain't just a hobby for me. I do drive my truck during the winter months, and I know I had said something to y'all guys ride all year round. And what I mean by ride, I'm talking about ride. I ain't talking about get the bike out running around the corner just to daggum warm it up and all that. I'm talking about actually get out there and put 300-400 miles in 14, 15 degree weather. I don't think a lot of people does that. But if you do, I digress. Now, if you live down there in Florida, Georgia, somewhere like that, stays warm all the time, you're a lucky person. In the winter, summertime, your ass in trouble. But it's be so hot, Then you be like, it's too hot to ride. What's the damn difference? Anyway, everything I do is on a motorcycle of some kind. So it ain't just a hobby for me at all. It ain't. But I've seen a lot of awesome things, met a lot of awesome people riding these bikes, and this is 2024. I've got some more big boy trips planned, and I hope to see a lot more beautiful scenery, back roads, and just different terrain. I'm looking forward to that. Hell, I'm looking forward to even just going to work, riding the bike back and forth to work. Kind of makes this thing a little bit more. Here we go with the doggone jerky on his I'll kill your highway. 129, nickname Highway. The name is Highway. It's Alcoa Highway. Nickname I'll kill your highway. There's gonna be some. Sometimes it be pretty bad. But anyway, back to the good stuff. I'm outside riding this old F6B, and earlier I said, look at my gold wing, how I got it set up. And I know you wonder what you got going on, Slap. What's happening with the bag in the back seat? What's happening with the little thing on the luggage rack? What you got that on there for? Just to go to work? Now. I've got a trip that just popped up into my lap, and if the good Lord willing, Harold Sanders, huh? If the good Lord willing and the creek don't rise, we gonna make it happen. I am so looking forward to it. I've done this trip maybe I guess it's 4 years ago with rest in peace, Bobby Strick. I call him Bobo, and Curtis Davis. We did that with a few people that are no longer with us. D Porter is getting his health together, Nighthawk and Hambone. It was a good old trip. But I'm thinking about attempting this daggum thing again. And I'm talking about California. Hey, it's going to be in April. The weather conditions should be pretty good in some areas, but when you're going out west, it can get tricky, and I mean tricky real quick. So, I'll definitely be mindful of the weather because I am a 35, 38-year professional truck or driver, 10-4. I am one of them. So, navigating around this world is what I do. And I'm on this interstate. Ain't much to see here. I'm going to jump off his blog. But that's what's going on in a couple of months. A couple of weeks. Please like, share, and subscribe. I cannot tell you how important it is that you subscribe. It really helps my channel to grow. I'm trying to get this thing to grow and move around. Help your boy out. I would sure enough appreciate it. And there's got some good stuff coming on. Come on, ride with me while I go by this lake while I usually stop the video. Come on!
episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.